And number 3, we have Chrysantemo, or Chrysantemo, or Chrysantim. I'm not quite sure how to pronounce it, but either way, it's a nice, bright, colourful, vibrant game. It was very relaxing to play, and I enjoyed the puzzles. There was something just a little special about it, and I think that even though it is somewhat simplistic, there is definitely some potential here. If the developer would perhaps maybe add more levels like a blue world, a yellow world, green world, whatever, I think this could actually go places because the whole concept of it was just so nice to play and very, very enjoyable at the same time. Let's get across. And finally, come on. And number 2, we have Bunker Bound. I like these kind of 2D side scrolling games that have an atmosphere to them, where the atmosphere just feels so dreary and dull, but you want to see what happens. To me, it kind of had a whole hand drawn visual to it, which kind of intrigued me. And the whole perception of it was really good. I liked the puzzles, I liked the design of it, and it was really fun to play. I just think didn't quite make that top spot just because it still felt a bit monotonous. However, that doesn't mean to say that it's not fun, but maybe a little bit more variation, and this could have been number 1. And number 1, we have Inch by Inch. This one took the number 1 spot simply because I thought it was very innovative. It was different, it was weird, it was simplistic, but at the same time, it made you think, and it was very clever in how it executed its design. With the whole chemical elements that were made up, they didn't make you think, oh, these are real chemical elements. They were obviously silly made up chemical elements, but they were very clever in how they did it. And the whole design about trying to actually do it what you need to do before you even shrunk down to, well, whatever size it would be at the end was really clever. And as you were shrinking down, you had to find ways of getting up higher to get to the machines and the mechanics. I just thought the whole thing was designed so well, and it's not something I've really seen in any other game before, so that's why I really, really enjoyed this one. So I'll leave the link to all 3 games below in the description for you to have a go if you want to, and I do have playthroughs on my channel. Feel free to check them out as well. And I will see you next month with some great indie Unity games. I don't know where the iced tea is. What if I just take this, put it in there?